Jacob Committee and Recommendation. I think I told you this, no? Last class was this only. What is that? I was just talking about Jacob Committee and the recommendation, and what next? Other particular topics which I told. The outcome of the recommendations or the implementation. Outcome or implementation. So, the question may be asked in the examination in this fashion. I don't know. What are the Jacob Committee recommendations? What are the Jacob Committee 4, 1, 2, 3, 4? Okay, then please don't talk. And implementation of the Jacob Committee. What are the recommendations of the Jacob Committee and what are the implementations of the Jacob Committee? Or outcome of the Jacob Committee. Implementation is a better word. Then what are the implementation? This I just take word. I told just I am going to take implementation. As all the four recommendations made by Jacob was accepted. I already told you. All the four, 1, 2, 3, 4. All four recommendations made by the Jacob was accepted by the central government. You don't call it a central government, it is a provincial government. That are not. Why? The date way back to date. So it is 1927. He has been doing the work and he gave his recommendation in the year 1920 year. Now, what are those four recommendations? As I told you, they were accepted. All these four recommendations were accepted by the government and implemented stage by step by step. To note, first implementation, the government, which was not seriously thinking of construction of the road in India on the central level or on the national level, now here afterwards, after his recommendation, they started very seriously in constructing the road or the construction and the development of the roads in India is started seriously on the national basis. Correct or not? It has become the central government. It is the duty of the central government, or it is the duty of the provincial government. Understood? Not the local body. It is beyond the limit of the local bodies to look after the development and the construction of the roads in India. So this is what they started thinking construction of the road in India on the national interest. This is being considered as a national. Which was the first recommendation of the Jacob Committee. Okay, which was the first recommendation of the Jacob Committee. Then what was the second recommendation? The second recommendation made by Jacob was that he proposed to start. There should be a technical body. Correct or not? There should be a technical body to continuously evolve or to continuously think of design and construction of the roads in a technical way. All roads are to be constructed in a technical manner. Understood or not? So previously something like some width, some length, something or some camber, whatever that. So this was something was going on, but now it has become very specific. After this 1928 onwards, they started. He proposed for a construction of he proposed for a technical body which has come into effect. So the government started the technical body which is known as Indian Road Congress. Don't talk of this Indian Road Congress. Right now, in the year 1929. In the year 1929. And now also the government, almost all the road construction, almost all, even the highway bridges, then like you say as per IS standard, as per the ISI standard. Now, as per the roads and the bridges are being concerned, they say as somebody is talking. Somebody is talking. I don't know. As per IRC recommendations. Okay. Or as per IRC recommendations. Right. So this was one of the milestone. Now also the head office is at New Delhi, Indian Road Congress, and now it has become the premier body. That has become the premier body, which is continuously giving the technical papers, technical magazines. There is also a magazine called as IRC magazines, IRC recommended papers, IRC codes. Code book, codes, all these are there. Even for the highway bridges, they have got IRC railway code book that are not, which are going to give you IRC loadings. IRC loadings, you come to know that it is very too early to talk about that. When you take in the 7th semester, we have got the bridge engineering. There, in the bridge engineering, IRC loadings are going to come. IRC loading. What are they? IRC loadings, IRC class A loading, IRC class A loading single, then IRC class B loading, then IRC 70R loading. There are 4 types of loadings. The first one is the highest load ever, highest load, which is likely to come over the highway bridges. That is, which is called as IRC class AA loadings. This one. Then second recommendation made by JICAR was also implemented. Understand or not? Next, the JICAR also proposed again. Second, the JICAR also proposed a tax is to be collected. Correct or not? A tax is to be collected from the petrol and the diesel users, from the road users. That time it was how much? I think I told you. It was 2 rupees 64 paisa right now per gallon. In 1928, the 2 rupees 60 no rupees, even 25 paisa, 50 paisa is banned now. That time, the 2 rupees 64 paisa will be equal to how much? Your 20 rupees. Money value, katana. Where the amount goes, the amount whatever being collected from the petrol or the diesel users, whatever that, at the rate of 64 paisa per gallon, where the money goes. Then he proposed that particular amount is to be kept separately. M.R. JICAR proposed to have a fund which for that particular money which is being collected from the road user at the rate of 2 rupees 64 paisa per gallon or whatever that is to be kept separately in a fund called as Central Road Fund. So those who look at the syllabus, this is there. Central Road Fund. Is there a syllabus? Anybody? Anybody having syllabus? It is there. Central Road Fund. Then this is also being implemented. The JICAR committees, first one, second one, third recommendations are being implemented. And the 4th recommendation, if you look back, he proposed for the research organization. JICAR proposed for the research organization or the research body. What is the duty of the research organization? To look into the research being carried towards the development and the construction of the roads in India right now. That's why even the research organization also started in the year. Basically, I think it has been started in the year 2010. Sorry, not 2010. Sorry, 1929. 27, 28, 29 IRC, and this is probably 1930, 1930. Only immediate after that, 1929. And they call that research organization is known as Central Road Research Institute, which is called as CRRI. It is also there, I think, in the syllabus. Syllabus is there, I think. Correct, no? Central Road Research Innovation is there. Central Road Fund is there. Indian Road Congress is there. They are all the proposition or the recommendation of the JICAR. Okay. This is one case. Then this is what exactly is all recommended JICAR and the JICAR committee recommendations. It was just a beginning. It was a beginning for a better start in construction and the development of the roads in India. Next development, how it is being started. Next is we'll throw a light on. See, my boys, I am not going to give notes for anything now. You should know. That's all. Right now, you should understand. That's all. You purchase a book. That's already which I propose and read. Spend money. Nothing of that sort. Next, the development. Okay. After this, first 20-year plan. Okay. Now, first 20-year in your syllabus only fourth 20-year plan is mentioned. Fourth or that is India Vision in 2021. Something they have given, but they have forgotten all these things. First 20-year road development plan. If somebody is talking and say, if you talk, it is not there in the syllabus at all. Don't talk. First 20-year road development plan. So this is actually in 1961 also. 1943, 1963, right? 20, no? 1963 minus 1943 is 20, no? No. 20 years plan. Next, second 20-year development plan. Second 20-year road development plan. Dash 20 dash. Okay. Now, my boys are both right. It is from 1961 to 1981. Why I am purposely writing this alter. Next, third 20-year plan. Then 1981 add 20, it will become 2001. No. Fourth 20-year plan. Now, where is the fourth 20-year plan? What is the fourth plan? Fourth 20-year road development plan. What is that? It will be from 2001 to 2021. This plan. Now we are in this. We are in that plan. That is why Vision 2021. There is the syllabus will be mentioned. Vision 2021. Okay, now I throw light. What is this? What these particular plans are about? What all these plans are about? Now, coming to this one right here. This plan is known as Nagpur Road Plan. This plan is known as This plan, first one is known as Nagpur Road Plan. Nagpur. Second plan is known as Bombay Road Plan. Now it is Mumbai. Bombay Road Plan. Then this is known as Lucknow Road Plan. Then fourth plan has been visualized in New Delhi. Actually, there is no such name given to the fourth 20-year plan as a Delhi new plan. No, it is just. Now coming back. I am going to give the importance of this plan. Why it is called as a Nagpur Road Plan? The meeting of this, I am not going to give notes. I will tell all the highlights. Highlights are the salient features of the different plans, different 20-year plans, one by one. Now coming back here, first 20-year plan, it is called the Nagpur Road Plan because there was a meeting held in Nagpur, in Maharashtra. But the meeting was attended by the chief engineers of all the states. Can you understand? For that time, for every state, one chief engineer will be there. Was there? Now every district chief engineers are there. Leave it. Because the chief engineers have become chief. So this is what I said. Then the meeting was attended by all the chief C's of C's, you can understand, chief engineers of all states in India, including Karnataka. Previously, that time it was not Karnataka; it was called as the Mysore state. Correct? No. Okay. Now, what they have done? The meeting was not for eating. Don't think. That in the chief engineer, they have come out with a plan. Those particular chief engineers who have attended this particular meeting at Nagpur in Maharashtra, then they have come out with the certain plan formulas. I repeat, the plan formulas or some modification, some implementation, some laws. They have come out with the things. Then what they have done? What they have done? See now, in the first 20-year plan, the first duty they have done is they have classified the road into 5 categories. That's why the road was classified as per the Nagpur road plan. I think I told you. First they have done is all roads in India are classified into 5 categories. What are they? The one was NH, it will be